my channel. My name is Ashmita and I hope you all are doing great today. And today's reaction, I cannot express in words how happy I am to react to this. This is Sky's MV. The song is called Okay. This is, I think, his solo debut. Correct me if I'm wrong, but from what I know, this is his solo debut. So, was he the only member left in EXO to make a solo debut? EXO-Ls, do give me some context. And I have not watched the teaser of this, so I do not know what the concept is for this particular MV. So without delaying this, it released today, but I'm going to be posting this video the next day because all of you would be streaming the MV. So I have understood now that on the day of the release, it's better to post it after. It's better to post the reaction after 24 hours. So I'm gonna do that for all the new comebacks and debuts that are going to happen now, from now onwards. Alright, so let's react to Okay, wow, so excited, so excited. Oh wow, that's a lot of VFX. You're kidding me. You're kidding me. He's Kai. Is he going to kill me? No wonder the song is called because I'm gonna be doing that. I want to take all of your heart. Please do. I don't mind. Okay. Because I'm too wicked. Okay. I need to put my coffee down because I think I'm gonna spill it out of jumping and excitement. Wait, I'll just put it here. I can't have coffee while watching this. I can't have coffee while watching this. Okay, okay. Okay. Kai? Oh my god. But this is giving me the love shot feeling. It's too much. It's too much, Kai. This MV is so futuristic, like with all the shots that I'm seeing of the VFX that has been done. It's so futuristic, and whoever has styled Kai for this MV, Kai's stylist, I give you this, not thenga, I give you thumbs up, because in India this could also mean, like, you know, a bad thing. Okay, fine. Indians would know. Indian EXO-Ls would understand this. Alright, okay. Oh my god. Thank god I'm not having the coffee. I would have spilled it for sure. Oh, this costume is my favorite. The blue sweater that he's wearing, the blue and red. You know, anybody else wearing this kind of color combination would end up looking like a clown and with that thing on his head. But look at how he's pulling it off. And the song is like, you make me go Kai, really? Really? Okay. Breathe in and exhale like so futuristic. Such a song. The jealousy makes it. Okay. It's so futuristic. It's so futuristic with all the gadgety kind of stuff. And then you are throwing in the apps. I want to concentrate on the lyrics and your vocals, Sky. Just don't distract the ladies like this. Don't do that. Take my jacket and put it on, please. Lyrics. Just come into my arms, destroy me if you want. This is too much. Too much is happening. XOLs, too much is happening. And I don't mind because my mind is going all. This line I can't get. I think this line is going to be stuck in my head. Just come into my arms, destroy me if you want. Oh yeah, now you throwing water? Great. Total demolition. Oh my god. Oh, he knows what he's doing. He knows what he's doing. Beautiful. This is. Wow, I like this animation. I mean, visual effects. Oh my god. That's a clue for the next one, I think, because it's so futuristic. I think with aespa also, the aespa Black Mamba was so futuristic. So I think SM is going in that maybe direction. I don't know, maybe because this also has so much of VFX and animation. And okay, wait, let me first stop this and I'll share my thoughts. So for the MV, okay, let's go one by one. Let's talk about the overall MV look and feel. Probably this is the biggest highlight of this MV, that it looks so futuristic and the entire so heavy on VFX and animation, visual effects, which was the same with the aespa video as well. Beautifully done. It doesn't look tacky, because the futuristic videos where you are showing all the things flying around and sort of like all the gadgets and stuff, it could end up looking tacky. Thankfully that's when when the video began, I thought, oh my god, let it not go there. But it looks good. I liked it. Second, the styling. Kai's stylist. You deserve all the praise. Give SM Entertainment, give this person a raise, because so well, and it is so different because the MV is so futuristic. So Kai's styling couldn't be like sort of normal. It had to be a little edgy. and he has pulled it off. Kai has really pulled it off so well. Like I said, the blue and red, you know, one can really end up looking like a clown, but he looks so dashing and beautiful, and with that headpiece on top, so well. Third, the choreography. Of the body rolls, he knows what he's doing. The choreographer also knew what he was or she was doing so well. Kai's vocals, this is now distinctly where I have first time listened to his vocals. I liked it, I really liked it, especially when the end part comes, before the bridge, no, after the bridge, when he pulls that beautiful note at the background and then he starts singing when the beat drops. Really, really well. I really liked it. The song, it was okay. I wouldn't say oh my god, because it was sort of giving me the feels of Love Shot. I really liked the beat when it really like that, really like that. This is the kind of song that'll grow on you, that'll really grow on you, and you are just gonna be put in a very sexy mood after you listen to this song. Like, you know, that's the feeling I got. Oh my goodness, I like the song. I wouldn't say oh my god. Oh, you remember when I first time reacted to EXO, it was Love Shot, and it just blew my mind away. That didn't happen. So I'm gonna listen to it a couple of more times. I feel with such songs with me, this is just me. With such songs, it takes a little time. It takes a little bit time to grow on me, and it will. I know it will for sure. Because looking at the MV, you think I'm not gonna watch it like another 100 times. Of course I'll watch it. Of course I'll watch it. And I know this song is just, and my brain is just gonna go. Really nice. Overall, it's a big thumbs up. It's a big thumbs up. Congratulations, Kai, for your debut. I cannot wait to see what next, like, because I think that was a clue for his next MV. So that also looks very futuristic, and it looks very edgy. So I'm really excited for that. So yes, congratulations to the EXO-Ls also. Stream hard. This was amazing. I'm also gonna do my streaming because I want to watch it again. Of course, I want to watch it again. This was amazing. That was my reaction, guys. If you have dropped in here for the first time, please do subscribe to the channel if you are a K-pop lover, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye.